Every time we fly the Wingtra, it's going to be a capture, process, deliver, end-to-end solution, typically with no hiccups. WSP is a global engineering and professional services firm. We specialize in transportation, infrastructure, energy, and construction projects, and we deploy cutting-edge technology to help improve the products to our client. Our drone data is flown for internal engineers, internal requests, as well as external clients such as departments of transportation or other energy or transportation clients that are asking us to deploy LiDAR, orthophotography, and then send them deliverables. Wingtra is a really pivotal point of that because our team is able to deploy this solution quickly and efficiently, and the data is reliable.
We have other systems that require more than one person to fly and capture data, and they have their place for sure with what we do. But with Wingtra, send somebody out to a site, send the Wingtra in the box, give them a specific mission to fly, and they can do it all by themselves. This being a very large construction site, the Wingtra just saves time, covers a lot more area. I mean, probably 3 times as much area as a quadcopter would cover in the same amount of time. Covering 3 times as much area is 3 times the efficiency, 3 times the time saving. I mean, it's a no-brainer if you can do a job in a shorter amount of time and get the same results.
Wingtra Cloud was huge for our team on day-to-day operations. Managing sites in Wingtra Cloud is pretty impressive. So that way you can have a cataloged history of the sites you've flown. There's no longer an issue of trying to record where was the drone flying at last week. All that information is going to be stored in the cloud and multiple team members can view and access it.
Before Wingtra Cloud, we just hopped on a phone call, had to hop on a video call with each other, basically send information back and forth via email. Being able to collaborate on Wingtra Cloud is a great feature. Obviously, the ease of flight planning, the syncing of the flights, it really, for us, was a big game changer. You don't have to just be a pilot to use it. You know, if you're a project manager, engineer, you're able to log in and collaborate and designate certain areas of interest and highlight things that you, as a project manager, would deem necessary for a pilot to fly. And then once you do that, the pilot's able to see exactly what they need to do and thus complete the mission and gather the data.
The data turnaround is pretty fascinating with the Wingtra especially. So we specialize in sending teams on site within a day or 2 of the requests that may come in. Once we fly the site, we can process within the same day. Sometimes we can kick the product back to the engineers on the same day. That was not able to be done before. Additionally, we're able to accurately and repeatedly survey those sites. And thirdly, we can streamline our deliverables from an easy setup in the field, an efficient processing in the office, and a quick deliverable to the client. For other construction companies or engineering firms not using Wingtra, I would highly recommend investing in the technology. Mainly because the system itself is reliable and accurate. There's not many other UAS platforms out there that you can fly day to day or back to back, and that quality of the product is going to be unparalleledly matched to what was done the day before.